we will be reviewing and unboxing a Sig P226 spring powered pistol with a metal black slide. So this is it in the box, and the magazine here, and there is a hole here, and I'm going to use scissors to open it. So be very careful if you are using scissors. This is brand new. I haven't opened it yet. So it is a bit fiddly. You may have to rip it sometimes. And cut it more if you need to. Okay. This is the gun. Now I'll get the magazine. Okay. You get this. It's basically you get a pack of pellets, throw them away or keep them, but don't use them. And here are instructions of how to use it. Okay, we've got that out of the way. Immediately, it has good weight to it. It's a spring powered pistol, so you have to pull the slide each time in order to shoot. And to put the magazine in, you just place it at the bottom. And to release the magazine, there is a button here, and you push that button and it comes out. The safety on the gun is here. So you push all the way down and then safety mode is on. To load the gun is simple. You just take the magazine out, and I'm using a speed loader with 0.2 pellets. There should be a piece here. You push it all the way down and it should hold into place at the bottom. Once you've done that, push this down and put your pellets in. And it holds 12. And once you're done, just place it in. And usually the pellets are automatically loaded in the gun. So yes, it's a very nice model, very nice weight to it. Okay, I'm going to use the spring powered Sig P226 pistol with a black metal slide. Okay, 239, very good. 237. still very good. $234, very good. 0.12, 327, that's really good. 305, I think it hit the side there. Still good. And the last pellet, $307. Even though polished 0.12 pellets are brilliant, but 0.2 pellets are still very good as well. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it and I hope it has helped you. This is a very nice pistol. 12 pellets is quite fair of a gun this size. If you like guns that are heavy, I would recommend this. I really love the black slide on it, especially that it is. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it and I hope it has been helpful. 12 pellets is quite good for a gun this size. I love the slide and the full metal because it adds to the weight. As I said, it's a very nice pistol. And once again, thank you for watching.